preparing breakfast. That's where the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker comes in. Now you can make a sandwich with fresh ingredients from home in under 5 minutes. Just choose your favorite bread, then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plate out and you'll have a perfectly assembled breakfast sandwich. Cleanup is easy. All removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and cooking surfaces are non-stick. A nutritious breakfast is possible with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Now that's good thinking.
Yeah.